Magkaiba ba ang guppy grass sa hornwort? Hi everyone, this is Zay from Zay Aquatics. So yung guppy grass and hornwort are both ideal para sa mga hobbies na bago pa lang sa planted tanks. Pareho din silang hardy and low nutrient requirements. And pareho din silang nagtitribe sa mga waste na pinoproduce ng mga tank inhabitants. Pero kahit marami silang similarities, magkaiba ang hornwort at ang guppy grass. So let's start with hornwort. Scientific name Ceratophillium demersum. Makikita ang hornwort sa halos lahat ng continent except Antarctica. And sa wild, humahaba yung mga stems nila up to 10 feet in length. And dahil sa fast growth nito, sa durability and sa ability to propagate nito, kina-consider itong weed sa Australia at saka New Zealand. So yung hornwort, meron siyang needle-like leaves na nag-sprout sa mga nodes sa bandang stem niya. And they are tightly grouped together, giving it a bushy, fluffy appearance in planted aquariums. Next naman is yung guppy grass, also known as Nahas guadalupensis. So yung guppy grass is native sa Canada, pero makikita rin sila throughout North and South America. And guppy grass is a branching plant with a wild growth appearance. They are also known for their ability to provide cover para sa mga guppy fries. And dahil sa mga twisted and curved sa leaves nila, they can also provide hiding spots for small fishes and invertebrates. Fast growing din itong mga guppy grass and they are easy to care for. They are also tolerant for most water conditions. And napakadali lang din nilang i-propagate. So that's all for today's video, and kung may mga questions or suggestions kayo, please let me know sa comment section. Yun lang, and happy fish keeping!